everyone. Welcome back to No Place Like Home. So today we got another great project we're going to do today. And we're going to decorate this beautiful vase here. And I needed another vase for my dining table. So we're going to go ahead and make it real pretty, put flowers in it and everything after I finish. But first of all, I'm going to go ahead and paint it with this metallic finish gold. It's the bright coat. So I'm gonna go outside and gonna spray it, and then I'll be back. Okay, so we back, and our vase is dry. So now we're getting ready to put our colors on it, and we're gonna use this glitter today. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix my glitter first, and I'm going to use the silver, and I'm going to use some purple, and I'm going to use some blue, and I'm also going to use just a dab of this gold here, because I really don't want it to be real gold. I want it to be more silver than gold. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this. I'm going to pour quite a bit of silver in here, because it's going to take a lot for this. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a little blue in, because I just want that little blue to shine through just a little bit. So I'm just going to mix a little tab of blue. And I'll put just a little tab of this purple in it. Okay. I'm just going to mix it up real good. I'm going to put just a tab more of this gold. And this way it's going to kind of look, if you can it kind of just to your taste, whatever the quantity and the color that you want. But this is the color that I want on this vase here, and I think it'll be real pretty. My glue, I'm using Small Pie. I'm going to pour quite a bit, because we're going to need quite a bit for this project. And I'm going to add a little of these colors in this too, in my glue. I'm just going to put just a tab in it. And you can buy this glitter. You can buy it anywhere at any of them, like Dollar Tree or a craft store. I'm just gonna kind of stir that up. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside. Okay. And then I'm gonna use one of these little flat brushes here to put the glue on. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of lay it to the side like so. I'm just gonna kind of lay it on. I'm gonna do like section at a time. I'm not gonna do a whole lot at one time. I'm just gonna do a section. And then I got this paper up on it to catch this glitter, because all of it that don't go on it is gonna fall off on the paper. So it give me a chance I can just reuse it again. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and just start putting it on. Keep on pasting it on. I could have just let my vase stay the color it is, because it is so pretty. And if you choose not to use glitter, you can always just paint it this pretty gold color. Metallic gold. In some spots you may miss, so just dot it. Don't, like I said, don't paint it, dot it, and then make sure you cover that up. And I want to mention my sister, Miss Brenda D, that has a cooking channel. I just thank all the subscribers that came from her channel and wanted to join mine, and I thank her so much for that. She is just a wonderful sister. I am older than she is, but she have taught me how to cook. So I looks at her channel to know what I'm gonna cook for the next day. So all the ones that doesn't have her as a subscriber, go to her channel. It's called Miss Brenda D, and subscribe to her channel. She is just an awesome cook. She has a wonderful personality, and she be cooking, y'all. So please, if you hadn't already subscribed, please do. And I do thank all of my new subscribers. And I hope y'all have just as much as fun I have bringing this to y'all each time. How pretty that's looking. That looking so pretty. And this gonna go on my table in my formal dining area. Okay. Let me paint just a little bit more. I'm just gonna go around here just a little bit, around these edges here. And this is so fun. Okay, so I have covered the whole jar. And if you see some places on it somewhere on it that need a little bit more glitter, this is the best time to do it. And also what you can do, like we did in the beginning, go ahead and put a little glitter with your glue, and then that way that when you put it on your jar, it'll be already have glitter in it. You can do it like that also. Just however way you want to do it. Now what I'm going to do now, this is the last step here. We're gonna go ahead and glue this down because we don't want this stuff shaking off. And if you don't have this glue placed on it after you finish it, all your glitter come off. So you're gonna use the same Mod Podge glue. I'll show y'all how to do it. Just turn it to the side. Now you're gonna dab this. You're not gonna paint. You're just gonna dab it, okay? So I'm kind of starting at the bottom, and I'm just dabbing. Just about finished gluing it. And this is what you call sealing it. To let this set overnight, and I'll be back with you all on tomorrow. Okay, and I'll show y'all our final product tomorrow. Okay, so this is our final product that we did. See the different colors in it. It's just beautiful. I just love it. But what do y'all think? I thank y'all so much. I thank all my new subscribers. I thank my baby sister Brenda, Miss Brenda D, her cooking channel. I thank her for all the peoples that came in and joined me on this event show that I'm doing. Y'all have a blessed day, and God bless you.